Hi Year 7, what we're going to be looking at today is how we draw straight lines. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you a method called the table method. Now what the table method is it's a way of collecting a set of coordinates that you can then plot on your grid. So if you look at the example that we're going to do, I've chosen some values here from -2 to 4. Now you can choose any selection of values. I've put in the actual notes themselves, -2 to 2. As long as you've got at least 3 points, you should be fine. But the idea of looking for patterns is really, really important. So the more values you have, the more patterns you'll see and the easier it will be to spot any errors if you've done any. So we're going to look at how we plot the line y equals 2x plus 1. Now this is called a straight line equation. It's an equation because it's got an equals and it links these what we call terms. What we're going to do is we're going to substitute the x values in. So here it says 2 lots of x, add 1, and then we're going to find the y values for that. So we're going to start with our 4. So if x is 4, if we double 4, that gives us 8, and then if we add 1, that's going to give us 9. If x is 3, we're going to find the new value now. Double 3 is 6, add 1 makes 7. If x is 2, double 2 is 4, and add 1 makes 5. If x is 1, double 1 is 2, add 1 makes 3. If x is 0, double 0 is 0, add 1 makes 1. And then into the minuses, where it can get a little bit difficult. So if we substitute -1 in, 2 lots of -1 make -2, add 1 makes -1. And if we substitute -2 in, 2 lots of -2 make -4, then add 1 to make -3. And so what we've now got are a collection of coordinates. So when x is 4, y is 9, when x is 3, y is 7, when x is 2, y is 5, when x is 1, y is 3, and so on. And we're going to plot these points in hopefully a nice straight line. So you'll notice I've tried to draw a grid here. Yours will be made a little bit easier because you'll have the squares in your book. Now remember, when we're labelling our grid, we always start with a cross and then 0 is where the axes start, and then we're going to go up in 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm only going to go to 10 here. And then equally going up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And backwards, so 0 is where the cross is, so -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. And down, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. Okay, so we have our grid. You're going to use the squares in your book. What I'm now going to do is plot them as pairs and tick them off as I've done them. So the first point is going across to 4 and then up to 9. So that's the point up there. So that's that one. And the next point is going across to 3 and up to 7. So 3, 7. That's done. And across to 2 and up to 5. So that's that point there. Across to 1 and up to 3. Across to 0 and up to 1. And -1, -1. And -2, -3. And hopefully you'll find that all your points fall in a nice straight line. So you plot your line through all those coordinates and you label it. So that's the line y equals 2x plus 1. Okay, so the table method is all about substituting in values of x into your equation to find the values of y, then plotting them on the graph, and there's your line drawn. Good luck on the work. Off you go.